Hello everyone, welcome back to Registerkaro.
In this video, you will learn about what is Startup India registration, why you should register as a startup, process, eligibility, timelines, documents, and cost or fees involved. Startup India registration is a process which allows businesses in India to be recognized as startup by Department of Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which is DPIIT. Now comes why you should register as a startup. So its main advantages are tax exemptions, funding opportunities, compliance benefits, intellectual property support, easy exit and public procurement. इसका मतलब है जब गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस या पब्लिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस किसी बाहर के सप्लायर से गुड्स या सर्विसेज एक्वायर करते हैं। नाउ व्हाट इज द एलिजिबिलिटी? जो भी स्टार्टअप्स DPIIT से रिकॉग्नाइज हैं और जिनकी इनकॉर्पोरेशन को 10 साल से कम हुए हैं वो स्टार्टअप इंडिया रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए एलिजिबल है। नाउ व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ रजिस्टरिंग एज अ स्टार्टअप? स्टेप 1, इनकॉर्पोरेट योर बिजनेस। स्टेप 2, register on the Startup India portal, which is startup.gov.in. Step 3, apply for the DPIIT recognition by filling startup recognition form on the National Single Window System. Step 4, upload required documents and await for the recognition certificate. The average time for a Startup India registration, including DPIIT recognition certificate, is typically 7 to 10 working days. Now comes the documents required: business incorporation certificate, director identification number, digital signature certificate, PAN and address proof of the business, and business plan or pitch deck. Now coming to the fees involved, the Startup India registration itself is free, but there are other associated costs for company incorporation and other compliance filings, which can range from 2,000 to 10,000 or more. Click the link in the description or visit our website www.registerkaro.in for more information. If you like this video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.